Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day guys, and you know what that means. For today's episode, I'm going to share to you up and coming Louis Vuitton bags. Yes, you know our practice here. I will be putting everything that you need to know from prices, product codes, product features, and launch dates. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phone to take a screenshot and for your personal reference, and for pre-orders, kindly check with your CAs or the website. So I'm inviting you all to please watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach my 4,000 to 5,000 subbies this year. I would really appreciate it. And kindly like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Happy Louis Vuitton Day guys! I'm very happy to share August releases of Louis Vuitton bags. Prices, SKUs, product features, and launch dates are all included. Kindly take a screenshot for your reference, and for pre-orders and availabilities, please check with your CAs. Happy shopping guys! Alright, so let us start first with the Quiet Luxury Collection, not the official name, launching August 2nd, 2024. First, we have this very beautiful carry-all cargo PM, a new design bag. Price is 2,900 euro or 3,500 USD. Material is leather with LV stamping in front. Very minimal design, as you can see here, with detachable chain strap. Next, we have it in color gray. So we have the carry-all cargo PM. Colorway is the Trianon Gray. Same price of 2,900 euro or 3,500 USD. So this is what the interior looks like. It would come with monogram bag tag as well. It would come with detachable strap and chain strap, and it could be closed by tying those two leather straps. Then we have the carry-all cargo size MM. So this is a little bit bigger. Price of this one is 3,300 euro or 3,900 USD. So as you can see, it would come with a mini pochette that is made of monogram canvas, but the entirety of the bag is made of leather with very minimal Louis Vuitton logo. Then we have the carry-all MM in the noir colorway. Price of this one is 3,300 euro or 3,900 USD. Kindly take note of the SKUs. As you can see, it would come with this very cute pochette. It would come with the bag tag, both made of monogram canvas. Guys, the MM size, the strap is not fully detachable compared to the PM size. Then we have the NEVERFULL size MM. This is the Empreinte Leather Cognac collection. Launching technically is September 30th, but in the US it would launch August 9, 2024. So please take note of this one. The NEVERFULL MM, the price is 2,100 euro or 2,710 USD. We have SKU here for your reference. Next, we have the carry-all size PM. So this one, the price is 2,550 euro or 3,050 USD. We have SKU here. So again, it could be closed via zipper. Then it would come with the same material, mini pochette. It would come with bag tag. It would come with the adjustable shoulder strap, as we could see here, but it is not adjustable. And then we have the Speedy size 20, very beautiful colorway. So the material is Empreinte leather, color is Arizona and cream. The price of this one is 2,200 euro or 2,710 USD. September 30th is the official launch date, but in the US you could pre-order this already by August 9, 2024. Then next on the collection, we have the very beautiful Pochette Metis East-West bag. Price is 2,700 euro or 3,100 USD. Material is Empreinte leather, color is Arizona and cream. Comes with detachable and adjustable leather strap. It has gold hardware. It has gold S-lock for closure, as we can see here. And then this one, we have the Felicia Pochette. Same launch date, August 9th in the US and worldwide September 30th. Price is $1,620 USD. Material is amphant leather, but this is not a bicolor, just the color Arizona. But how delicious looking this Felicia Pochette is. As you can see, it would come with a 2 leather inserts and detachable chain strap. Next, we have the Blossom PM. Price of this one is $4,350 USD. We have SKU here. Launch date of this bag is August 2nd, 2024. So guys, please be honest. What does this bag remind you? Please do comment down below. Would love to hear you if we are thinking of the same looking bag from Hermes. So we have the SKU here for your personal preference. Now, this is one of my personal favorite in this collection. We have the Neo Noe BB from the Monogram Ink collection that would be launching August 2nd. Price of this one is $3,450 USD. We have SKU here. Color is the Trianon Gray. It would come with braided top handle and detachable leather strap. Next, very cute new size of the Lock-It. The size is BB, launching August 2nd. Price, guys, is only 1,900 euro or 2,350 USD. So as you can see, the interior is red. The main material, of course, is monogram canvas with VVN trims. VVN leather strap. It would come with clochette, padlock, and keys. And then we have the Speedy 20. So this is from the Fall Winter 2024 runway collection. Price of this one is 2,050 euro or 2,540 USD. We have SKU here. Material is the mini monogram canvas. It would come with VVN trims. It would have gold padlock and keys, and it would come with VVN crossbody strap. Then it would come with a zippy wallet version as well with same launch date of August 2nd. Price of this long zippy wallet is 800 euro. As you can see here, many card inserts, and it has compartment for bills and receipts. It comes with gold hardware as well. Alright, so next we have this very beautiful trunk chain bag. So guys, good news, this is going to be part of the new permanent collection by LV. Price of this one is kinda affordable for a trunk chain bag, 2,970 USD. So the material is green leather, color is noir with gold hardware, gold S-lock detachable leather strap, and I'm thinking this is like a size of wallet on chain. Then we have, guys, very beautiful Blackout Capsule collection. Launch date is August 30th, 2024. First, we have the Capucines BB. Price of this one is 5,900 euro or 6,850 USD. So as you can see, it would come with the black leather exterior, and of course all of the hardware would be the matte black hardware, just like with this twist MM. Price is 3,700 euro or 4,700 USD. Material is the noir epi leather. Then all of the hardware are the matte black hardware, including the LV twist lock closure, including the chain, the crossbody chain that it comes with. Next, we have the Petite M. Price of this one is 4,800 euro or 5,700 USD. We have SKU here. How beautiful and how minimal this collection is. What do you think, guys? Kindly comment down below. Personally, I'm loving the look of this one, the black on black on black. Next, we have the Kuzan size PM. Price is 3,700 euro or 4,700 USD. Still from the Blackout Capsule collection. Material, of course, is the very supple lambskin leather in noir with matte black hardware. It would come with canvas strap that is also black. It would come with giant black chain strap. Next, we have the bag charms by LV. So first, we have the My Monogram layers. Price of this one is 340 euro. We have SKU here. How cute is this one if you're going to add it in any of your Louis Vuitton bag. This is one of my personal favorite and one of my obsession. We have the On The Go Micro. So this one price is 880 euro. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a shopping bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramirfi2, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!